Master the basics. Cook the rice. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the common phrase, cook the rice. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your kitchen vocabulary, this video will help you understand not just the words, but also the context in which they're used. Cook the rice is a straightforward phrase that combines a verb, cook, with a noun, rice. To cook is to prepare food by heating it, and rice is a cereal grain that is a staple food in many parts of the world. When put together, this phrase is an instruction to prepare the rice by boiling or heating it until it's ready to eat. While the phrase is simple, the process can involve a few steps. Here's how you might break it down. 1. Measure the rice. Determine how much rice you want to cook. 2. Wash the rice. Rinse the rice under water to remove excess starch. 3. Boil water. Heat water in a pot until it boils. 4. Add the rice. Put the rice into the boiling water. 5. Reduce heat and simmer. Turn down the heat and let the rice cook at a lower temperature. 6. Check the rice. Make sure the rice is at your preferred texture. 7. Drain and serve. Once cooked, remove the water, and the rice is ready to serve. In many cultures, rice is not just food but also a symbol of life and fertility. In some traditions, rice is thrown at weddings to wish prosperity and fruitfulness. Understanding the cultural significance can add depth to the simple act of cooking rice, making it a meaningful topic beyond the kitchen. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, cook the rice, in both a literal and cultural context. Cooking is a universal experience, and by learning phrases like this, you're not just expanding your vocabulary, but also your understanding of the world. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.